In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable auto reply in Proton Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to switch so your inbox can respond for you while you're away. Start by opening Proton Mail in your web browser. Once you're in your inbox, focus on the left-hand sidebar. This panel is where Proton Mail groups navigation items like your mailboxes, folders, and quick access to related settings. If the sidebar looks condensed, expand it so all the options are visible. Within that sidebar, locate the section labeled Folders. Just beside the Folders label, there's a small gear icon. Click that gear. This is a convenient entry point into the settings relevant to your mailbox organization, and from here you can get to the area that controls forwarding and automatic replies. After the settings view appears, look back to the left side menu and scroll down. Proton Mail arranges settings in categories, and the one you want is a little further down the list. Scroll steadily so you don't miss it. Some sections may only appear once the page has fully loaded. Select Forward and Auto Reply. This opens the page that manages how messages are handled when they arrive, including forwarding rules and out-of-office responses. It's normal to find these together since both features govern automated actions taken on incoming mail. On this screen, find the Auto Reply section. It should be clearly labeled and easy to spot. You'll typically see a short description of what auto reply does, and you may notice fields for a subject line, a message body, or time controls. These fields are there so your automated response can reflect your tone and schedule, and depending on your plan or interface version, you might see more or fewer options. Now toggle auto reply on. Flipping this switch activates the feature for your account. When it's on, Proton Mail will automatically send your out-of-office message to incoming emails based on the defaults shown on the page. Visually, the toggle usually changes color or position to confirm it's enabled. Proton Mail generally saves this change automatically, but give the page a moment to update so the status is clearly reflected. That's all you need to do to enable auto reply. You've opened Proton Mail, navigated through the left sidebar, accessed the settings via the folders gear, scrolled to the correct category, opened forward and auto reply, found the auto reply section, and turned it on. Before you leave the page, take a quick glance to confirm it still shows as enabled, especially if you're on a smaller screen and had to scroll. You're all set. With auto reply enabled, your inbox can keep people informed even when you're not there.